Hello everyone, see you again. Today it's to summarize for the past couple of weeks in the past couple episodes before the tomorrow, which is basically the next chapter of the series. We're going to the camp tomorrow. I'm going to review what we have done so far. This cooler, this is for my daily use and frequent use. My bucket, it's able to it's a water leaking bucket. I have two buckets. And the bottom bucket is for the fishing, and I will introduce you in the next chapter. The same time, this is the 7-gallon water container. Also, it's water leaking proof, the most important one. My cookware is very simple. Paper towel, this is iron cat pan, and then my one single and plate. My cup, very easy, very simple. Open it. You look at this inside there, the most important one. I'm going to sleep there for 3 or 4 days, 3 or 4 nights. And I will show you in a second. On this side is all the fishing gears, and I will formally and details introduce each specific items. Let's see another side. All right. The most important one for this trip, okay, it's my fishing pole. It's a hanger I introduced you in the previous episode. How that looks like. I'm going to drive for about 6 or 7 hours and tomorrow to the Florida. I come over here. I'm introduce how I sleep in the next 3 or 4 days. Table, my pillow. Very easy, just 3, 4. That's it. Put a pillow back in. Okay. So I'm gonna give it a try and get closer. I'm going inside to sleep. Even though my fishing rod on the top, it looks like okay. That's how I sleep at the night. When I'm done with the sleeping in the morning, I'm going to put it back. Get closer. Back to normal now, right? So you have some space around there. Let me introduce another area. Come follow me. How I set up is all my fishing gears. Again, I'll introduce you and the details and the next chapter of the episodes. My fishing gear there. On the front, it's my personal and reachable items during the drive. Water and the Gatorade and all summer items. Oh, the one most important item about the bed frame and the bed, it's under the bed frame, you're able to have actual storage. I'm going to show you. That's the most important one. Actual storage in here, right? This, I mentioned this. The burner is gas. I also have electric burner in case they have electricity. On the table, I'm able to slide in a couple more. You will see this is my personal hygiene. So you can put your personal item. Oh, one most important one. This is the cooler. I like this one, but hopefully it works as advertised. This lifetime and it will stay cool 5 days, according to advertisement. How it work? The tomato I'm going to fill in the water, so we're able to try if it works as expected. Then we'll see. That's why I say earlier in the beginning of episode, right? Where tomato is a day, we're gonna give a try. All the item, the DIY item, all the item I purchased. Come back to the another item I'm going to show you. Basically, that's the most important focus for today's trip. It's this one. Okay, hopefully you can guess what I'm going to show you. It's drone. We're going to try out a drone bait dropping doing the fishing. We'll see how that works. Hopefully, and this again the summarize everything and give you the some kind of the benefits DIY and all together. Until then, I will see you. Bye.